Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use Grammarly for academic writing. So guys, first one is go to app.grammarly.com and just simply sign in into an account. And now, if you don't have an account, you can just simply create one and go for the documents over here and go for new document over here. And after that, just simply provide or paste your text over here. Now, from here, guys, as you can see, right away, we should be able to set goals. So guys, if you don't have this pop-up window over here, you could just simply select goals over here on the top over here. And now on the audience tab, you will have general, which is easy for everyone to read with minimal effort. You will have knowledgeable, which requires focus to read and understand. And you will have the expert as well. And for formality, you will have three options: informal, neutral, and formal. So for academic writing, this will be depending on you. So from here, you could also go for domain. But as you can see, you have to get the pro in order for you to have the academic writing feature that they have. But guys, you could also achieve the academic writing by the free Grammarly features that we have. And from here, guys, the very important one will be intent. So what are you trying to do? Are you trying to inform the people about your academic writing? Are you trying to describe, or are you trying to convince? So for example, your academic writing will be trying to inform people about the topic that you have, and you can just simply select done. And after that, guys, Grammarly will suggest some changes on your academic writing on the left side over here on the screen, on the right side over here on the screen. So guys, as you can see, instead of at reducing, it's suggesting us to go for to reduce, and instead of improving quality, it suggests us to go for improve quality. So guys, as of now, I have 0 free samples left, but if you do, you should be able to have multiple options over here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.